You're watching the news track. The political fireworks over the West Bengal violence continue to explode. India today has been able to access the Mamata Banerjee government's report into the violence. BJP State President Sukanta Majumdar has alleged that there is a PFI angle to this entire violence. Here's the latest reportage on the Murshidabad violence.
Political blame game over Bengal riots escalates. Murshidabad communal violence victims, led by State BJP Chief Sukanta Majumdar, met Governor C.V. Ananda Bose and DGP Rajiv Kumar at the police headquarters on Thursday.
हमने गवर्नर साहब को पूरा बताया कि what is the situation there, and as well as the locals, those could flee from there, and they are in the refugee camp. They also described the atrocities happened on them. And governor was very concerned. Honorable governor was very concerned, and he will visit the places tomorrow.
Governor Ananda Bose will be visiting Murshidabad and meeting victims there as well.
What really happened in the field, that's a reality check which I am doing today. I am also meeting some of the victims who have come to meet me here. After taking the views of all sections of society who are affected, then I will tell you what exactly is the report. My sympathies are with the family. I will certainly go there if it is okay with them.
Union Minister Sukanta Majumdar earlier hinted at the role of radical outfit Popular Front of India in Murshidabad riots.
As mentioned by them, the call for riot was given from the loudspeaker of the masjid. If BJP comes into power and this type incident happen, we will ban masjid or any other religion campus which will be used in case of provoking the riots in any area of West Bengal.
Bengal leader of opposition Suvendu Adhikari has moved the Calcutta High Court again, demanding that the NIA be assigned Murshidabad riots investigation. The BJP has also demanded a permanent BSF camp in violence-hit areas and immediate compensation to victims of the clashes. The TMC meanwhile accuses the BJP of inciting Murshidabad riots. The party claimed immediate action was taken in the aftermath of the violence, including the arrest of over 270 suspects, and that homes had been rebuilt.
The victims, we are giving 10 lakhs to each family, and the victims जिसको घर तोड़ा है, जो भी इसमें शामिल है, मैं इन्वेस्टिगेशन का पहले इसको बारे में कुछ टिप्पणी नहीं करेंगे. जो बीजेपी करते हैं उसको सेंट्रल मिनिस्टर करते हैं. इन्वेस्टिगेशन के लिए हम लोगों ने सीट तैयार किया है, लेट देम फाइंड आउट, लेकिन उसको सबको घर हम बांग्ला का बाड़ी बना देंगे.
The police have formed a special investigation team of 9 members to probe the violence that took place in Murshidabad on April 11th.
Amidst all of this fiasco, we see people who were forced to leave their houses, citing that all they want is an assurance that such kind of violence, arson, vandalism will never be repeated in their homeland, and they can stay over here in peace. With camera person Shamchandra Ghosh, this is Suryagni Roy for India Today, Murshidabad.